Hello friends, today we will learn personal pronouns with simple explanations and examples. Let's get started.
Subject pronouns. These are the pronouns that act as the subject of a sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Examples. Subject pronouns. I am a teacher. You are my friend. He is playing football. She is singing a song. It is a beautiful day. We are going to the park. They are watching a movie. Object pronouns. These are the pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Example. Object pronouns. He gave me a book. I will call you tomorrow. She likes him. They invited her to the party. We found it under the table. She helped us with homework. I saw them at the mall. Possessive adjectives. These describe ownership and come before a noun. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Examples. Possessive adjectives. This is my pen. Is this your bag? His car is red. Her dress is beautiful. Tail is long. Our house is big. Their doggy is friendly. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject and end in self or selves. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, self, ourselves, themselves. Examples. Reflexive pronouns. I made this cake myself. He hurt himself while running. She introduced herself to everyone. Cat cleaned itself. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. They prepared themselves for the exam. Possessive pronouns. These also show ownership but stand alone without a noun after them. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Examples: possessive pronouns. This book is mine. The bag is yours. Pen is his. The house is hers. It no possessive pronoun for it. The victory is ours. Choice is theirs.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it.